Hey guys, Bruce Taragin. I'm with Blumberg Capital. We're an early stage venture fund in San Francisco, and it's great to be here. I'm here with Yaacov Cohen.
Yaacov Cohen.
From Harmon.ie, and I think we're going to start with a short demo, or?
Sure. So basically we're going to talk about Harmon.ie, and rather than doing a video, I'm going to just show you the real product. So Harmon.ie has developed a new kind of app, basically the Flipboard for the enterprise. So what's very innovative about Flipboard, and everybody knows Flipboard. Flipboard introduced a new type of app, while all the traditional apps are establishing a one-to-one relationship between the app and a web service, a cloud service, like Facebook app connecting to the Facebook service, Twitter app connecting to the Twitter service. Flipboard in the consumer space has federated multiple services within a single app. And basically what we're doing in Harmon.ie is we're taking this concept to the enterprise to really create the Flipboard for the enterprise. Because in the consumer space, we're getting all these applications and we're switching from application to application, and it's pretty fun to have so much applications. But it's in the business world, this is very counterproductive. You know, switching from one app to another app. Microsoft has 18 apps. SAP has 50 apps in the App Store. So if you start dealing with 65 different apps for your business, you're losing focus, you're feeling lost. So the idea of Harmon.ie is to bring your business in focus using Flipboard for the enterprise.
And I don't know about you guys, but everything that Yaacov says with a French accent sounds very impressive.
Merci.
You see, we need you to translate for everybody.
Yeah,
and then we'll
on peut parler français avec...
from session to session.
We can do a cross demo, a cross services demo, right?
Exactly, exactly. So, Yaacov, what's sort of the go-to-market strategy? Who are some of the partners that you're currently working with?
Yeah, so Harmon.ie actually has built a profitable desktop business of about $10 million. So we have an install base in the enterprise. We have customers such as Citibank and ExxonMobil. So our first go-to-market strategy is to sell, just to sell to these guys.
And it sounds like you're doing that well.
Well, we have 1.5 licensed users, and we're upselling our mobile offering.
1.5 million.
1.5 million, yeah, sorry.
Just in case someone out there thought there was only 1.5 licensed users. Want to clarify, it can get lost in the translation.
Thank you, Bruce. Yeah, so 1.5 million licensed users and 600 enterprise customers. So our go-to-market strategy is to upsell our mobile offering to our existing desktop customers. But moving forward, and one of the reasons I'm here today is we want to build a network of partners and to really use channel. Because one of the challenge we see in the cloud space is that there is no interoperability between cloud. And basically, in order to create this enterprise hub, you need a common language across different cloud services. So we want to build a federation of partners which will work together to make the world a better place and the cloud a more interoperable place.
I can't say it the same way. Interoperable. It's just...
Yeah, I exercised half a day on that one.
It worked. So, who are some of the, for everyone in the room, like who are some of the obvious partners and maybe who are some of the less obvious partners, either that you've partnered with already or that you would like to
so Microsoft is becoming one of the most critical cloud vendor with Office 365. So we are partnering.
I think you get like an extra gift for throwing in Microsoft since we're here and there.
Yeah, we need to, Kvod Larsanya in the Talmud, you need to give respect to the people hosting you, to the host. So that's one. But obvious partners are Salesforce, Workday, NetSuite, all the cloud, all the business apps which are delivered over the cloud. Another type of partner are the mobile operators, which are selling apps to businesses. And that's what we are working on, is to establish this network of partners.
Got it, got it. Can you talk a little bit about capitalization, kind of where you're at? What are your thoughts, or is there something else you want to hit on?
Yeah, I do want to talk about money, but I do want to show the product.
Oh, please, okay, please.
Yeah, thank you. So here you can see that this is Harmon.ie collage, okay, French also. So basically this is a collage in one app of Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Yammer, and Salesforce.com. So first, it's cross services, but it also cross ecosystem. You know, you wouldn't get that necessarily from Microsoft or from Salesforce.
You're French, but you're also Swiss at the same time.
Exactly, Swiss.
Beautiful.
So now I can go ahead and take a look at my updates. And here I see actual real-time updates coming from our enterprise. And I can see, you know, what the team is actually doing, if anything. And if I am looking for, I can see what accounts. And what you can see in red is that these are topics. You know, here you see that Harmon.ie deduces common topics across all the cloud services, all the topics which the user is interested. So I can then say, okay, I really want to know what's going on with the Missouri Department of Transportation. And I'm going to get a picture of what's going on there across all the multiple services. So it's not only about federating multiple services in a single experience, but it's also about delivering the information you need when you need it. And actually, it was interesting because we talked about topics with the first presentation, identifying topics for consumer. We need to identify topics for business user. What are the topics they are really interested in? And for example, one of the implementation, you go into a meeting and Harmon.ie can actually access your calendar. It can actually deduce the topics of this meeting and bring you information across Office 365, Salesforce. So if you have a meeting about a big account, Blumberg, for example, we want to close Blumberg. That's why I invited Bruce. He's from Blumberg Capital. So please help me, okay?
Now he's promoting me. This is
So if I have a meeting about Blumberg, Harmon.ie is going to bring the information on Salesforce about Blumberg. If there is a pilot going on, the document pilot may be actually on Office 365, and then there is a Yammer conversation, which is actually giving us the insight. So we are in fact creating insight.
awesome. Let's throw it out to the audience, just because I know we're going to run out of time. Any questions from folks here? Going once, going twice. Yes?
So we are, all the business cloud services expose an interface today. So what used to be done by system integrators, which should integrate between SAP and Microsoft and IBM, today you can actually do using APIs and using SOAP interfaces and all kind of things like that. And what Harmon.ie is doing is really taking advantage of these interfaces to do an on-the-fly integration and deliver it in a contextual manner. Exactly. So we don't need to deal with permission because the API doesn't let you access what you are not supposed to access.
I think we're wrapping up. But Yaacov, any questions you want to throw out to the audience in terms of like your ask? What something that you maybe need if there's folks that you're looking for going forward? That
yeah.
folks
So
in the room can help
we are building a network of partners in order really to try to define this common interface for all the cloud. Something we want to put in the open domain. And the other thing, we're looking for business partner to go to market. And from smart investors also, only if they are really, really smart.
Is there any other kind? Come on. Okay, thanks, guys. Thank you.